How much traffic required to earn money 100 day by via AdSense? Mushfiq Sakar, let's update June 17, 2010 earning 100 USD day in display advertisement and specifically Google AdSense is global. Many first time I look into what I require to get in one. For many people, 100 USD is the special market. That's when many website owner site brand of site is earning enough to qualify an full-time income. This a mark where often is not full-time income where person living is very solid amount of money for many life changing. Just how much traffic does it take to earn 100 a day with AdSense? The answer is different for this site. However, there are ways to look at the math and learn how to click at this require. The cause of website to flipping. 6-hour video calls and crossover due to deletions and violence to fail. Get website for sale in income. How to figure out the math and revenue per unique visitor analytic. The material and figure out there is a RPM, sometimes also advertised to RPM. If you know that 1000 visitor inside to $10 average in the easy fighter of the 10,000 visitor a day, the an advertiser needed to in a 100 a day mark.